So I was very impressed with my son because we'd never done this before. Like I said, never been to a church that practiced the foot washing. And we showed him a video, showed him a kid's video, cartoon. By the way, I do need to get the name of that cartoon. My wife found it. It was pretty good. The characters were funny, but there was a serious narrator in the background, voiceover. But he understood. My son understood what the foot washing was all about, or how to do it, at least. And then he just did it. He put the towel around his waist, bent down, put some water on my feet, dried them off, and I was done. So then I did it for him. I washed his feet as well. Like we were pros. Like we've done this before. And granted, it is, we do bathe often. I have washed things before. Sorry about that. It's been boring myself. I will be back. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let's continue doing what we're doing. These branches and foliage, foliage, foliage. So coming very close to having the first few pages colored. So close am I coming to getting these colored. I'm gonna have to start thinking about